Alright, welcome back. So this is where we stopped. Where is it? Okay. This is where we stopped, and this is our prototype. Okay. So what's the next thing we likely going to do? Let's come back to our form.css. Okay. So we have styled the h2 inside the class of heading. Okay, so let's check our HTML. What is the next thing? Where is that h2? Okay, so this is the h2 now that fall inside this class of heading. Okay, after that we have a class of form. So let's type that. So dot form. Okay, so for this form, because that is what it is the form that we are going to style to have all these things inside it. This is where the form starts from, this aquamarine color to this place. So that is what the form covers. So we want to declare padding for it, and we all know what padding means. I want to believe we can still differentiate between padding and margin. So padding is what is the space between the content of an element and its border, while margin is the space between the border and the border of that particular element and another element or something. Okay, so in this case now, so I'm going to be declaring 30 pixel then 40 pixel. So I need to quickly explain something for you on this. You see, when you are dealing with margin and padding, when you declare only one attribute for it, only one property, like let's say only one property, 30 pixel alone, it means all the padding sides, like the padding top, padding bottom, padding right, padding left, they should all have 30 pixel. But when you have it to be two like this, then it means 30 pixels should go for padding top and padding bottom, while 40 pixels should go for padding right and padding left. So left padding and right padding. Okay, when you have it to be 3, let's say after this 30 we have 40, then we have something like 20 again. This first one goes for top padding, the padding top, while this middle one goes for right and left padding, and the last one will go for padding bottom. And if it is not 3, if it is 4, then it means you're already declaring different paddings for all the 4 sizes. Let's say we have 4, so the first one will be for top padding top, the second will be for padding right, the third one will be for padding bottom, while the fourth one will be for padding left. So you need to learn that very well as well. So in this case now, I've applied 30 pixel to top and bottom and 40 pixel to right and left. So let me quickly save this, and then we come here to refresh. Okay, can you see it now? Then after this, what other thing do we have? Then we'll start going to our form control, or what is it? Let me come and check what I actually use so that there won't be mistake. So let's check. So after the form class, what other class do we have? Okay, form order. Where is our CSS? So dot because it's a class too. Let me hold my dash. Dot form order. Then for this form order, so we're going to be declaring margin bottom. Oh, what is this? Margin bottom. Remember what margin bottom will do for us. So let me make it 10 pixel and see how it's going to be. So margin bottom, I will explain where it's going to have effect now, so that you can remember your margin and padding very well. So margin bottom, margin is going to give us distance or space rather between, this is box for username and this is another box for email. So it's going to give us space between this username and email. So margin bottom now is going to put space at the bottom of username, another space at the bottom of email, because all of them, they have this class name of. So let me refresh now so that you can see. So can you see it now? So that is what it's going to do for us. Then let's come back here and apply padding too. So padding bottom, then let's say 20 pixel. So that is going to make this thing wider, because it actually wants to give us space between the content and the border, and this is the border here. These edges, the edges of this box is the border, so we want to have enough space there. Let me check what I wrote. Okay, padding button. Okay, then let's declare the position too. Position should be relative. So just for positioning. All right, see you in just a moment.